So friends, in the last lecture we discussed some of the examples. Now let us see more examples based on Poisson distribution. Okay, so now let us see one example. Find the probability that at most 5 defective fuses will be found in a box of 200 fuses if experience is shows that 2% of such fuses are defective, given e raised to minus 4 equal to 0.0183. So solution is very simple. Here, first of all, you look at the example and then identify which kind of problem is there. It is the problem related with Poisson probability. So in Poisson probability, normally we require the value of lambda. Okay. So here it is given that find the probability that at most 5 defective fuses will be found. At most 5. That means more than 5 defective bulbs should not be there. Less number of there. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So, and then we are given in a box of 200 fuses. So here we are given it is the case of Poisson distribution. Directly we can identify because we are given small n equal to 200 and also we are given that 2% of such fuses are defective. That means the probability of defectiveness is 0.02 and therefore lambda we can find out very easily. Lambda equal to n into p, that means 200 into 0.02. So if we multiply these two numbers, then we can get lambda equal to 4. And here we are given e raised to minus 4 equal to this value. If we are not given, then also we can find out such value by using calci very easily. But sometimes in example we may be given this value, so it saves our time. And therefore the probability that at most 5 defective fuses will be there. Defective fuses will be there equal to probability of at most, that means probability of x less than or equal to 5. So this is nothing but f of 0 lambda plus f of 1 lambda plus f of 2 lambda plus f of 3 lambda plus f of 5 lambda. So this type of probabilities we require to find out. So f of 0 lambda is nothing but e raised to minus lambda. Actually we know, we have looking to the previous examples. In the last example whatever we have seen, this is nothing but 1, this is nothing but lambda upon 1, this is nothing but lambda square upon 2 factorial, this is nothing but lambda cube upon 3 factorial, because e raised to minus lambda will be common from all the probabilities, because this is nothing but e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon x factorial. So this e raised to minus lambda we can take common from all these things. Lambda raised to 4 upon 4 factorial plus lambda raised to 5 upon 5 factorial, and you can put the value of e raised to minus lambda equal to 4, and e raised to minus 4 is then lambda 4 you can 5 and calculate this value yourself and you will get the answer 0.7845. Okay, are you clear with this? So this is this example is also very simple, as you can see. Now let us see another example. another example. A book contains 100 misprints distributed randomly through out its 100 pages. So what is the probability that observed that a page observed at random contains at least 2 misprints? Use Poisson distribution. So here already given it is given that it is a Poisson distribution. However, we can determine that this problem is related with Poisson distribution. So in Poisson distribution we require the value of lambda, and lambda is how can we find? By using n into p or by using the average. So here we have lambda equal to 100 misprints are there out of 100 pages. So this is nothing but 1. So on an average 1 misprint is there. This is the average misprint. Out of 100 pages, 100 misprints are there. So average is 1. Now, therefore, and we want to find out what is the probability that a page observed at random. If out of 100 pages, if any one page you take, and on that page at least 2 misprints should be there. At least 2 misprints means it is greater than or equal to 2. Probability means to find out probability 2 greater than or equal to 2. That means it can continue up to 2 to 100 because 100 misprints are there. So we need to find out f of 2 lambda, f of 3 lambda, f of 4 lambda up to f of 100 lambda. But this is very tedious work. So instead of this, we know that total probability is always equal to 1. So we can have this is 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to x less than 2. X less than 2. So this is nothing but 1 minus f of 0 lambda plus f of 1 lambda. F of 2 lambda we cannot include because 2 is already included over here. And so this is nothing but e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. It is e raised to minus lambda raised to 1 upon 1 factorial. And the lambda equal to 1 you can put there, and then you can solve it by calculate this by using your calci, and hence you will get the answer 0.2642. Okay, so this example is also very simple. Now let us see one more example. I hope that you must have cleared with this solution, because nothing is difficult, nothing is more than this, because this kind of misprint kind of problem we have seen in the last lecture also, but with some other data. This example was also asked in examination, in previous examination. So now let us see one more example. An LED TV consists of 1000 components. Each component is quite accurate and will operate correctly with a probability of 0.9995. Failure of any component, causes failure of the TV. Determine the probability that the TV will operate correctly. The TV will operate correctly. So here look at the data. It is given that the LED TV consists of 1000 components. Okay, and each component is quite accurate and will operate correctly with the probability. So here the probability of its accuracy is given to us. Okay, and we want to find out that the probability that the TV will not operate correctly. So we know that TV will not operate. When it will not operate? It will not operate if at least one component among 1000 components will get failed. At least one component will get failed, then this will not operate. And we are given the probability of accuracy. So here, obviously given, we have n equal to 1000 components are given, and the probability of accuracy is given. But here we want to find out probability of differentiating. That means the TV will not operate correctly. That means we require the probability of accuracy. Instead of that, we want the probability of non-accuracy. So therefore, we can find out this very easily because probability for accuracy is given. So the probability of bad component, that means non-accuracy, is nothing but 1 minus 0.9995. 0.995 is the probability of accuracy. It is good component. And so probability of bad component is 1 minus 0.99995. And so this is nothing but 0.0005. Okay. So now it's very simple. This is the case of Poisson distribution. It is the case of Poisson distribution. So we want to find the probability that TV will not operate correctly. That means we will combine this probability of bad component. And we know that in Poisson distribution we require lambda. And lambda is nothing but n into p. So this is nothing but 1000 into 0.005. Okay. So if we multiply them together, then we will get 0.5. And therefore, the required probability is what? Required probability we can find out very easily. That means TV will not operate correctly. TV will not operate means at least one component is bad. At least one component is bad. At least one component is bad means 1 component, 2 component, 3 component, or up to 1000 components are bad. That means we want to find out probability of x greater than or equal to 1. That means we will have to find out all the probabilities starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 1000. But this is a very large number. But we know that total probability is 1. So we can have this is less than 1. Okay? This is less than 1. So 1 minus, this is nothing but we are starting from 0. Less than 1 is f of 0 lambda. 1 we cannot consider. 1 we cannot consider because it is strictly less than 1, not less than or equal to. So 1 minus e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to 0 upon 0 factorial, and lambda equal to 0.5. This value you can substitute, and after substituting this value you can find out the probability that 0.3935. This is the required answer. So the answer is very simple, but here you should be careful that TV will not operate, and it is the probability of accuracy. So we will go to the opposite side. That means we will find out the probability of non-accuracy. Okay, and then you can also try yourself simultaneously with me. Let us see another example. example, a car hire firm has two cars. That means a car hire firm has two cars. Only two cars are there, which it hires out day by day. The number of demands for a car on each day is distributed on a Poisson distribution with mean 1.5. Calculate the proportion of days. Calculate the proportion of days on which neither car is used and the proportion of days on which some demand is refused. And given here that e raised to minus 1.5 equal to 0.2231, it is given. Okay, so here you can see that the statement of the problem is very lengthy, but the solution is not too much lengthy. So it is the case of Poisson distribution here. It is the case of Poisson distribution. It is a Poisson distribution. So in a Poisson distribution, we simply require a value of lambda. So if we read the example, a car hire firm has two cars which it hires out of it. That means it has only two cars, not more than two cars are there. The number of demand for a car on each day is distributed on a Poisson distribution. It is already given, which mean lambda. So given lambda is mean means lambda. Lambda is 1.5 is given. That is sufficient for us. Okay. And calculate the proportion of days on which neither car is used. No car is used. We want to find out the proportion of days. Therefore, what is the probability? Therefore, the probability that neither car is used. Neither car is used. That means here probability for we want to find out for x equal to 0. Capital X equal to 0. No car is used. That is, this is nothing but f of 0 lambda. And this is nothing but e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. And lambda is already given to us and it is 1.5. So this is nothing but e raised to minus 1.5 and its value is also given to us 0.2231. Okay. And secondly, we again want to find out that the proportion of days on which some demand is refused. Some demand is refused. That means when the demand will get refused, the firm has only two cars. So if there is a demand of more than two cars, then the demand will be refused automatically. Because if I want 3 cars on a rent base, then this company will refuse my demand. Therefore, the probability that the demand will refuse is equal to probability, that means the probability for more than 2 cars, x greater than 2. Up to 2 the company can occupy, but if more than 2 then it will not occupy. But this probability we cannot find easily. So we have very simple idea, 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 2. And this is nothing but f of 1 lambda minus f of 2 lambda. Okay. And what is f of 0 lambda, f of 1 lambda? You already know this because it is 1 minus e raised to minus lambda is common. This is nothing but 1 plus lambda upon 2 factorial plus lambda square upon lambda upon 1 factorial lambda square upon 2 factorial. And lambda is already given, it is 1.5. it is plus plus written because minus I have taken outside. So if you calculate this value, then you will get the answer as 0.1912. Okay, so this example is also very simple for you. Now I will give you one more example for your to work yourself over here during the remaining time of the lecture, because this is the lecture of 23 minutes and during and we have the lecture of 60 minutes. So in the remaining time you can solve this example. It is very simple. From records of Army Corps kept over 20 years, the following data was obtained, showing the number of deaths caused by the kicks of a horse. Find poison distribution. So here frequency distribution is given, number of deaths and corresponding frequencies 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and corresponding frequencies are 65, 22, 3 and 1, and given that e raised to minus 0.61 equal to 0.5436. So already we have seen number of examples of this kind. First of all, you require to find out lambda, and this is you can find out by sigma xf upon sigma f. Okay, so frequency distribution. Then you will require to find out small f0, f1, f2, f3 and up to f4 by using the formula capital N into f of x lambda. And that means capital N into e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to x upon x factorial. You can put here x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, 3 and 4. And capital N is nothing but sigma f. That means the total of this one. And you can find out all possible probabilities very easily. Okay. And values are, this has the value 108.72. F1 has the value 66.32. F2 has the value 20.22. F3 has the value